Hello and welcome to Z's Snack Sampling. Today we're going to be sampling a new flavor of Kit Kat. It's a Valentine's Day flavor, limited edition, raspberry cream. Raspberry cream flavored. Should be fun. Be a fun flavor. The little miniatures. Miniature Kit Kats. Let's see how this tastes. If I get this wrapping off. Oh boy. Alright, get it out there. That's what it looks like. Just a pink Kit Kat. See how it tastes. Wow. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's got more cream than raspberry. Raspberry is very subtle compared to the creaminess. But overall, it's pretty good. Definitely a solid Kit Kat flavor. I have to give that a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. Definitely a good, very good Valentine's Day flavor. That's for sure. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be sure to have some more videos out for you very soon. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get more, to see me. And follow me on my links below. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.